It doesn't. What do you mean? If you know, call his parents. You can't do that.
Okay.
You can't do it. Well, what's your name?
Hey.
Hey.
Okay, you need to
What's your name and your badge number? Watch out! What's your name and your badge number? What's your name and your badge number?
Lincoln 691.
Okay, and what's your name and badge number, ma'am? Whoa! You're touching me! You're touching me!
Hey,
You can't do this. Yeah, go get him. You can't do this. Look at that.
Hey, stop. Hey, look.
You're doing this to a minor.
Let me go.
Remember, you guys are doing this to a minor. Remember that. You guys are doing this to a minor.
Not helping the situation.
It doesn't matter. You guys are doing this to a little ass kid. His parents should be here. You guys shouldn't be touching on him like that.
My parents should be here. What is he doing? What the fuck is he doing?
Stop fucking it.
I don't spit on me. That's it? Yeah, I spit on you. How you like that shit?
Hey, watch out. Watch out. Don't be choking him like that. What are you doing? Get your fucking hands off his neck, bro. What are you doing? Get your fucking hands off his neck. You can't be doing that shit.
Get back, sir.
Yo, don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Back up.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
I will arrest you for.
Don't touch me. For what? For what?
For my scene,
For
dude.
what? For what? What
Back
can you
up.
arrest me for? For what? What can you arrest me for? What the hell? Don't touch me, please.
I need you to stay back.
I'm asking you, please don't touch me. You're not a cop. Don't touch me. Please, don't touch me. You're not a cop.
Just
Don't-
need you to stay back. That's
I'm
all.
asking you, what's
You can
up?
record from a distance.
Okay.
Okay? I just need you to keep your distance. Plain and simple.
Look at that. Look at that.
I don't mind if you record.
Police brutality. Excuse me, sir. No, I'm not going to do
I know.
nothing.
Just stay back up just
You're
a little
right.
bit.
You're right.
Okay?
I'm
Just
not
so
going to
we
do
can have
nothing.
this.
You're right. You're right. So I'm not
I'm
going
not
to do
trying to-
nothing. You know, I know. I'm not doing nothing to the for the cops. I mean, come on. That's
No rights. Come on now.
I'm going around this way. All right, sir.
Just try to keep some distance.
Yeah, that's right. You can come over here.
I just don't want you getting hurt.
Yeah. All this for a little kid, bro. All this for a little kid. All this for a little kid. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I just saw your car. You're good.
Don't come any closer. Stay back there.
Oh,
I know you. Hey, dude. Go back there. So don't mind you for record, okay? Don't mind at all.
no, bro. Why y'all putting a bag over his face, bro?
Just stand back a little bit. Back up, please.
Detail police, bro.
You can record from over there, okay? Hey, can you hear me?
Yeah. I'm right here.
Move, bro.
Give some space. That's all we're asking.
I said, bro, stop resisting, bro.
Stay on the fucking floor. No, stop. Take this bag off my head. Fucking irritated. Take this bag off my hair.
He's not spitting. Yeah, exactly. So you can take the bag off of his head if he's not spitting,
They
right?
just don't want to risk it.
Why don't I go? I don't need to go anywhere. I don't need to go anywhere.
So, my man,
How's it going?
for the bag that's there.